This is Paul Ewing reporting to you live from Yavapai News Network. Todd Conaway, Jason Whitesett, and Paul Ewing have just hiked 6.7 miles to this point where we are about now to cross the Colorado River, and I'm going to film the entire crossing. Yes, I will fill the frame as well as film the entire crossing. And let's go, gentlemen, shall we? March forward. March. That's all right. It will add. That's a nice churrasco. The first person to go under the place where we are now entering was John Wesley Powell, who was a Civil War veteran who explored the Grand Canyon in a dory boat with only one arm. Now, it wasn't the dory boat that only had one arm. It was he, John Wesley Powell, correct? Was that his full name? Correct. John Wesley Powell. And now you can see we are emerging out of the tunnel and crossing the bridge that crosses the Colorado River.
Out of the darkness into the light onto a bridge that crosses something.
Something important is as they said in Close Encounters of a Third Kind, this means something. Here we go, and here is your famous narrator, self-portraiture extraordinaire, Paul Ewing, taking the footage. There's the Colorado River. Off to my left, there's the Colorado River. Off to my right, there is the Grand Canyon. Above me? Above me, I said. This is totally amazing. How did we do this? I don't know. How did we do this, gentlemen?
Well, Todd and I walked, but you just got off a mule, didn't you?
That is a great disservice and does great disrespect to my honor, sir. I challenge you to a duel.
I'm already trying to rewrite the history so that my book will sell and yours won't.
Pistols at 50 yards. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a marvelous river? Oh, roll on, ye mighty Colorado. Roll on, roll on. And a moment of silence for the river and all the lives it has taken. Isn't it just grand? It is the Colorado River of the Grand Canyon. And we three, we few, we happy few, we band of brothers are crossing this river.
He that crosses this river today with me shall be my brother.
Indeed, and he who lies abed at Yavapai shall curse his day for not being here with us. What? St. Crispin's Day! And I think I'm making too much noise for the canyon, and I apologize to my audience for being totally inappropriate. Please forgive me. There's always one jackass in the bunch. We're nearing the end of our crossing now. As you can see, take a look at my boots. They're now walking. Yes, walking. We're coming near the end of this wonderful experience, and we will finish with a shot of the river.